quick review of the requirements of the takeout double, right? 4 requirements, right? You want to have shortness in the opening bid suit. Okay, so that's the first one I always start with. Once there's been an opening bid to my right, I run through my checklist of overcalls. Can I make an overcall? One of the many overcall options we have. If not, I look to see if I have less than 3 cards in the opening bid suit. If I do, then I continue down my checklist, right? Next check is I make sure that I have 4 cards in the unbid major. So that means if a minor is bid, then I need to have 4 cards. And now that we're adding Cuebids to our system as advancer, we will be able to make a takeout double with 4-3 in the majors. We'll no longer need that double requirement of 4-4 in both majors. We can be 4-3 because now with the Cuebid, as we will see, we'll be able to uncover our 4-4 fits when we belong in game. All right, so that's going to be a little bit of a change to standard takeout doubles. When you have a Cuebid available, you can have now a 4-3 holding in the majors when a minor is opened. Okay, then a minimum of 3 cards in each minor. That's the same as before or after playing Cuebids. But the big change with our new Cuebid friend as advancer to a takeout double is the takeout doubler can now be 4-3 in the majors. Okay, so your partner will be able to make more takeout doubles now. And finally, you're showing 13 plus total points, including short suit points, and we're using the 3-2-1 scale for takeout doubles, 3-2-1 scale, which means you get 3 points for a void, 2 points for a singleton, and 1 point for a doubleton. All right, so that's the 3-2-1 scale for all takeout doubles. And I have some example hands here. North opens 1 club and we're sitting east. All right, so here's our 4-3 in the majors. And we have shortness in the opening bid suit. We get a +1 for that doubleton club. And we have 13 plus total points. In the center box, 1 diamond by North sitting east. We have 4-4 in the majors, shortness in the opening bid suit, and we're getting a +2 for that singleton diamond, right? And at least 3 cards in the minor. Qualifies for that takeout double. And in our final box, 1 heart by North, and we're east. We have 4 cards in the unbid major. We get 3 points for that void, right? Okay, that's the short suit in the opening bid suit. And we have at least 3 cards in the minors with 13 total points. Right, so that qualifies. So this is just an example of 3 hands where you have a variation of a 4-3 major. You have a doubleton gets 1 point, singleton gets 2 points, and a void gets 3 points in the takeout doubles position.